Got my little basket here, and my daughter's gonna be cooking us some collards for Thanksgiving. Coming out, just seeing what's going on in the garden, picking some collards to go with our Thanksgiving meal. And I've been blessed enough to pick and choose what my days look like. And since I've started this garden, I've been really at peace with myself and everything around me. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. My daughter's cooking Thanksgiving dinner for us. And she asked me to come out to the garden and pick some of my collards. And that's, of course, what I'm thankful for this year. And just being able to have the time and the energy to come out here and get into the garden and really free my mind of a whole lot of things that's going on in the world. So when I'm out here in the garden, my mind is free. My daughter's gonna be cooking the entire Thanksgiving dinner for us. And something that I've always said to her, because she's been my problem child. I'm not even gonna lie to you. She's been my problem child. That's my baby girl. I love her to death. But whoa, something that I've always said to her growing up. I said, one of the things that makes you valued in a family or even in a relationship as you start to grow is your contribution. And for a long time, all she did was take. You know, whatever we could give her, she was willing to take it, put it in her hands and run with it, come back looking for more, and there was never really a thank you. Going back to my point of contribution, now that she's cooking, she's bringing something to the table. And I think with that appreciation of what she's bringing to the table now, it's making her a little more responsible. If there's anything to be thankful for, it'll be on the top of the list for the things that I'm thankful for. Just seeing how much she's grown over the past year. Still have a lot of growing to do, but just seeing how she's grown over the past year, I'm thankful for that. And even with her coming out here and asking me, hey Dad, can you go out there and pick some of your collards so I can cook them for dinner? That's always a blessing. So this garden, once again, has played part in bringing the family together. It's early in the morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these picked so we can get them inside and let her start with her Thanksgiving meal. I'm gonna pretty much strip these babies down. We're not gonna cut them from the center because we want them to continue to grow. And these babies gonna keep giving. Again, there's not a whole lot going on in the garden right now, but for the little bit that is, I am very thankful for. And I want to say to you and yours, happy Thanksgiving, be safe, growing out the box.